All right, for this next video, we're going to be covering some of the aesthetics, the styling, the visual components to your identity page, to your personal brand. Remember, to get to editing the identity page, you need to go to the top black bar and choose the identity page icon. We've already done that for this video, so it's already loaded. If you want to change the background image, that's a very popular thing to do, and for good reason, because it's obviously a very visual component of your identity page, and you want to choose imagery that directly represents your brand. What do you want to communicate to your particular target audience? That's the type of imagery you should use. So to modify your imagery inside of Foliotek, you click on the image icon in the left, and over here you can change your image. You can upload a new image, or you can choose one from our repository. So you can choose the upload option here. If you've already added an image or uploaded one, you can go back to your images. But if you click this filter icon, now all of a sudden you can filter our repository by all sorts of different categories. For this particular purpose, I'm going to go to, I think I'll go to the industrial option. And here's a whole bunch of mechanical type industrial photos. And I'm going to choose this little cog down here. And you'll notice that when it applies the new background image, the color scheme for my content area changes because Foliotek has an algorithm that's recommending a color scheme for you. You might not love it, and we'll look at how to change that in just a moment. But while we're still on the background page component, you can change some settings to your background. You can again go black and white. So if you want your background image to be totally black and white, you can make it such. You can go back to color. Also, another important feature is notice how your content area is semi-transparent here. Well, you can remove that transparency by choosing image instead of solid for your content area. So we'll just go ahead and switch over to image. I think it looks a little bit better for this particular photo background anyway. Now, if I want to edit the actual visuals contained inside of my content area, I click this little paint roller here, and I have some choices. I can quickly choose between some of these other color options that Foliotek is recommending. Some of them are better than others. Each of them has the ability to reverse what the font color is with the background color. So I can click the reverse here and it swaps it. See? So again here, if I choose the domino option and I click reverse, it swaps the two colors. Click reverse again, it swaps it once again. So once I have a color scheme that I like, let's say for instance though, like in this case, the links don't show up very well. So I have a little eyedropper that I can choose, and I can use this color picker, and I can change the color of my actual links themselves to be something that pops a little bit more, draws people's attention so they stand out, something of greater contrast. So that's how you edit your background image. So again, you go to the background photo and in the toolbar, and you can choose to select the new image, and then you can change the basic color scheme that we're recommending.